Hello everyone, if you have a Blink Qu4TRO, which is like an all-wheel drive skateboard, this is how you can control with the remote or an application that is present in an iPhone. And the reason why I say it's an iPhone app is because, as you may have known, this ACTON app is no more present on Apple Play Store or Android Play Store. But here is how you can control it via app. Let me show you the app method first. If you have already installed it in the method that I have shown, you open the app and there is an option called Express Connect on the bottom. So select that one, and now it is searching for the Bluetooth from the skateboard. So you turn on the skateboard and it shows up. For example, yeah, it showed up, and then I select that. And here is how you can turn on the light, change different modes, and also you can change the unit from miles to kilometers or back and forth. And there the lights are on. Then you can change the mode to beginner, normal, and pro. Like you can switch back and forth, and it shows you the speed, and then the odometer, and it also has a battery indicator. So you don't get all of these details unless and until you log in generally, but there is, with this express mode, you can access at least these features that allow you to change different modes. And if you want to control it via the remote, after you change the mode, you simply toggle the remote to on, and then this is the throttle backward or braking. Like if you scroll forward, then it will accelerate, and then if you scroll backwards, it will slow down and come to like brake. It will act like a brake. And there is forward and reverse. Currently it's set to forward. That means when you press the throttle forward, then the board is going to go forward. And the red light on the bottom is like a tail light to indicate that you're riding the skateboard. For people who are coming in the back of you, they can see the red light so that they will be more watchful of you. And this is how it looks like in the darkness. It's pretty bright. You cannot control the light using the remote control. You have to have this application, an iOS application that has this Express Connect mode. Let's do a quick dry run with the remote after we change the modes. If you press the button one more time, then the lights will glow a little bit dim. That means it's turning off, and when you turn on, it will make that sound, tick, and then the light will be very bright. And we'll turn on this remote as well. So as you can see, this in pro mode, that's why even with the slight throttle, it's going very fast. And it's currently in pro mode. All four wheels are working properly, ready to ride. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends who have purchased this ACTON skateboard. I have not tried the other models, but I believe this app will work for Blink S2 and S1 as well. Thank you very much for watching again, and have a great day. Bye bye.